Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. We have contact lens case, square rose gold, plain case, box, plain box. Side here it is. Okay. Not sure picks up. There it is inside. Okay, has some bottle here, some tweezers. Not sure what this is. No description whatsoever. Contact piece, yeah, right and left. It's all plastic. The mirror here. And if you're interested in this case, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.